Hello guys, in this live stream I will show you a React.js project that I developed, which is a Canva and Photoshop clone editor. So it's an open source alternative if you're looking forward for an alternative for Canva and Photoshop. So this open source React project I developed right here, which is running on localhost 3000. And it's similar to Canva. It has all the features which Canva and Photoshop supports. So we have this canvas right here. We can actually add text, add images, you can add your own text, upload your own font. These are all the options are there. You can see that. So this is the overall React project here, and we're using the latest version 18.2.0. The link is given in the description. You can directly purchase this open source project, and all the sections in the project is divided into multiple JavaScript files right here. You can just see right here. So it's very easy to run this project. Once you purchase it, you will be getting the source code automatically from Google Drive. So after downloading it, go to the directory and simply run the command npm run start. So this will start this React project locally, and it will start this project on localhost 3000. So now it has started this project here. If you see, so once the project starts right here, you will basically see all the features, and you can actually resize it accordingly, whatever post that you are doing it. So right here, you can change the background color as well, right here. And then if you want to delete something, you can click on delete right here. You can add your own text, images, and let me want to draw something. You can use this brush to draw something here. We can even basically add your own text as well. So you basically add your own text here. You can change the color of the text. You can increase the font size, bold, italic. You can even animate the text. So you can see that. And then we have the option to export this to a PNG file or PDF, HTML, GIF. All these options are there. So if you click on PDF, everything will be exported to a PDF file. Same goes with PNG image as well. So this clone open source, it's the best alternative for Canva and Photoshop. If you're looking forward for, you can directly purchase the script. The link is given in the description. So the support is also given for integrating third-party images from Unsplash. So you basically integrate icons as well from Icon Finder. You can have all these shapes as well. You can even upload your own images. So you simply select. You can also add your own images as well. Same, you also have the support for pixels. You have a set of backgrounds which Canva supports. With a single click, you can change the background as well. So these are different layers right here. If you see inside this editor, we have different layers out there. We can lock a particular layer. We can hide anything. And this is, you can resize it for any sort of social media network, Instagram, Facebook. With a single click, you basically select the template and automatically it will resize it. And you can even hide, align the position, alignment, all these options which Canva and Photoshop support, it is given to you. So if you're looking forward for purchasing it, you can go to the description link and purchase the source code. You will get this entire source code here for you. Everything is completely open source. We have used free libraries. So once you get the source code, it's very easy to run and also deploy as well. So if you're watching it for the very first time, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. So it's a complete Canva and Photoshop open source alternative. You can even generate a QR code as well. So as you can see, we can embed this QR code, and then we can export this to an image or PDF file. We can even do an HTML file as well. This will also export it to HTML file as well. So these are all the exporting options. You can see that. So Definitely, if you like this, you can directly purchase it.